All right, Algebra 2, going to try it here. Just tried uploading a video via my iPad, cut it short, and then the upload failed. So, second time I'm making this video of your 2124 game plan here, your first new video of fall 2021, and we got some in-house sponsors. Look at that, we got Laura Barr, Spiced Pumpkin Pie, Cliff Bar. They're planting 1 million trees, which is great for my class. More game plans are coming. And then I think that's Dubuque Coffee Company, a local St. Louis, that is. Coffee Company, again, Mr. Yak will not say no to that, and that is a lovely little Christmas gift. Hint, hint, wink, wink. All right, so let's, again, I am using a little stand here, my normal video making tripods there are on my desk at school, and I am not there. So this is the video that you are watching on Monday the 20th while I am gone. So in this game plan, please go to page 9. The pages are numbered in an odd fashion, but here is page 9. Point slope form. All right, here's what point slope form is. The line through the point x1, y1 with slope m has the equation. So it's literally y minus a y value is equal to the slope times x minus an x value. x1 and y1, that's a point, they're numbers. It's used a lot. It's pretty much all we use in calculus and in physics. Instantaneous slope, instantaneous rate of change, derivatives, point slope form, big. So write the equation of a line which passes through at negative 5, 3 and has a slope of negative 1/3 in point slope form. All right, so it's literally y minus the y value 3 is equal to the slope negative 1/3 times x minus a negative 5. That's the x value. To subtract a negative 5 is to add 5. So simplify, and that's point slope form. Very, very easy. Now we can just make it. The only way we can make point slope form on the tricky side is example 4. Right, in point slope form, the equation of the line through those 2 points. What do we got to do? We got to find the slope. The slope is equal to 5 minus a negative 1 over 1 minus 4. Slope's negative 2. All right, so here's what we can do. We got 2 different answers that are both correct, but definitely look different. If I choose that first ordered pair, 1, 5, y minus the y value is equal to the slope times x minus the x value. Or I could do y minus the y value. I'm using the second ordered pair right there. Y minus the y value is equal to negative 2 times x minus the x value. To subtract negative 1 is to add 1. Both of those are correct, believe it or not. If I were to move this into slope-intercept form, I get the exact same answer, and that's something that we will do soon. In fact, right now, a lead-in for tomorrow. That is quite true. We'll start tackling these questions on Tuesday. The point-slope form of the equation is this, and write it in slope-intercept form. Well, I can easily go from point-slope form to slope-intercept form. First, I'm going to distribute 4x plus 8, and then I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Y equals 4x plus 11. Very, very quick. I just distribute and move a constant over. Okay, so hint, hint, wink, wink, when we get to page 2 tomorrow, which I call the Big Papa questions, the big ones. They're going to be worth the most points on your quiz and test. Writing it in all 3 forms. We're going to start. This is inconvenient time for you to bark, Yogi. We're going to start in point slope form. All right. 3rd video of the day, actually the 4th one, and the dog's been silent the entire time. Of course, you're going to bark right now. And folks, we are going to keep going. Page 12. So I made a little boo-boo that was corrected in the video that didn't make it live. Write the equation of the line which passes through those 2 points, page 12, in slope-intercept form. So find the slope for minus a negative 8 over negative 2 minus a negative 5. That's 12 over 3, which is 4. y equals 4x plus b. All right, I'm going to pick negative 2, 4. So plug 4 in for y, negative 2 in for x. 12 is b. Y equals 4x plus 12. Here's number 2. Write the equation of the line which passes through those 2 points in slope-intercept form. 0 minus a negative 3 over negative 1 minus 5. Slope's a negative 1/2. Y is a negative 1/2 x plus b. I'm going to plug 0 in for y and negative 1 in for x. That's the point I'm using there. 0 is 1/2 plus b. B is a negative 1. Y is a negative 1/2 x minus 1/2. All right, so number 3 says, write the equation of the line which passes through... This is the 3rd string tripod we have going on here, which passes those 2 points and has a slope of 3/4 in point slope form. So it's literally y minus the y value is equal to the slope times x minus the x value. To subtract a negative is to, that's much better, it's to add. So that is the simplified version. All right, number 4. Write in point slope form the equation of the line through those 2 points. So first find the slope. I always do the bigger y value minus the smaller over that corresponding x minus that x value. You get a negative 1/2. So again, I have 2 answers here because if I choose the ordered pair 2, 2, y minus the y value is equal to the slope times x minus the x value. Or if I choose the ordered pair negative 2, 4, y minus the y value is equal to the slope times x minus the negative 2 is x plus 2. All right, we're going to wait on number 5, but we are going to do number 6. Again, this helps us with that big question that's coming in our future there. The point slope form of a line is y plus 2 is equal to a negative 1/3 x minus 15. So what am I going to do here is I'm going to distribute negative 1/3 x, and negative 1/3 times a negative 15 is a positive 5. And I subtract 2 from both sides. There's slope-intercept form. Again, very easy. If I have equation of a line written in point slope form, I can easily get that to be slope-intercept form. It's page 12. And then page 13 and 14, we're going to wait on those. That's a good Tuesday, Wednesday one. 15 and 16 as well. Now 17, probably we're going to talk more about on Wednesday. Definitely 1 through 3. Don't try those yet. Those are actually a little twist. Don't try those yet. But number 4, piece of cake. Given f of x is equal to negative 5x minus 9. Again, f of x is the same thing as saying y equals. This is just a function of x. There's only x as a variable in there. Find f of 5. That means plug 5 in for x. All right. F of 0, plug 0 in for x. F of negative 2, plug negative 2 in for x. F of negative 10, plug negative 10 in for x. And you get those y values. All right. Page 18, number 1, which is really 4 of them. Write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form for the line that passes through those 2 points. Trying to adjust this here. All right, so the slope here, I'm going to do the bigger y value minus the smaller y value. 0 minus the negative 3 over negative 1 minus the negative 7. Slope's 1/2. Y equals 1/2 x plus b. I'm going to use negative 1, 0. I'm going to plug 0 in for y, negative 1 in for x. I get a b value of a y-intercept of 1/2. Let's take a look at b. To find the slope, I'm going to do 2 minus a negative 4 over 4 minus 6. Y equals a negative 3x plus b. I'm going to use this ordered pair here. I'm going to plug 2 in for y, 4 in for x. I get a y-intercept of 14. Y equals a negative 3x plus 14. Now, see, I didn't show a lot of work because the y-intercept is when x is 0. I've given you the y-intercept. It's 2. I'm going to find the slope 11 minus 2. Again, the bigger y value minus the smaller y value over 3 minus 0. Slope is 3. Again, if you need to plug 2 in for y, 0 in for x, you're going to get a b value of 2. Let's talk about z. 5 minus 1 over a negative 1 minus a negative 3. Get a slope of 2. Y equals 2x plus b. Plug 5 in for y. Negative 1 in for x. Your y-intercept is 7. All right, that was page 18. Now, I've got, I believe, a few more questions. I'm going to do page 19 here with you. So our goal is slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b for all of those examples. Write the equation of the line with the slope of negative 4, which passes through negative 1, 7. Can't get easier there. Y equals negative 4x plus b. Plug 7 in for y, negative 1 in for x. Your y-intercept is 3. Write the equation of the line with a slope of 3/5, which passes through. I changed it to negative 5, negative 8. Y equals 3/5 x plus b. Plug negative 8 in for x. Negative 8 in for y. Negative 5 in for x. Now, I believe first hour, I think we did this one on a Friday or Thursday, so you don't have to rewrite this. If you've already done it, then that's fine. So anyway, I changed it because I don't want to deal with any more fractions there. That would probably a typo. B is a negative 5. Y equals 3/5 x minus 5. Classic examples. Write the equation of the line which passes through those 2 points again in slope-intercept form. 9 minus 3 over 1 minus a negative 1. Slope of 3. Y equals 3x plus b. I'm using the point 1, 9. Plug 9 in for y. 1 in for x. Your y-intercept is 6. Again, write it as an equation. Y equals 3x plus 6. Then write the equation of the line which passes through those 2 points. Find the slope again. This time bigger y values here. 7 minus a negative 1 over negative 3 minus a negative 5. 4 is your slope. So y equals 4x plus b. I'm going to use the point negative 3, 7. Plug 7 in for y. Plug negative 3 in for x. 19 is your y-intercept. And on 20, 5 and 6, it says hashtag game time. This will be it. Write the equation of the line which passes through those 2 points. Bigger y value minus a smaller y value. 10 minus a negative 5 over negative 3 minus a negative 8. The slope is 3. Y equals 3x plus b. I'm going to use the point negative 3, 10. I'm going to plug 10 in for y, negative 3 in for x. The y-intercept is 19. And lastly, write the equation of the line which passes through negative 8, 3 and 4, negative 3. Bigger y value minus smaller y value. 3 minus a negative 3 over negative 8 minus 4. Y-intercept of negative 1/2. Y equals a negative 1/2 x plus b. I'm going to plug 4 in for x, negative 3 in for y. I'm using the point 4, negative 3. My y-intercept is a negative 1. And folks, that is it. This game plan will most likely be due on Thursday. And you should be getting in class your quiz review for 2124. That quiz is going to be on Friday. This is Yak Math Videos signing out.